Yo guys, welcome. This is Obaleo Kasimtir YouTube channel, and right now with me, Don Mr. Fong. Let's say pisya bro kimpat bana yu Fong. Let's say umpat pau pertai tanda hiru. Te kejungrai jong Fong te kalong ke ba haladi simat ngasmo kumba kade kejungrai ka bolong influencing ba bakaju korkom lu kade kejungrai ka bolong ka penslor ini kum kiyut. Let's say kum nong kum knak samla. Te pai ba let's say nganum ko an preslam shu ka por. Te let's say pikwa hi mapi ban pin ina ban sakhi. Ya kata kejingkring ko jonga let's say kade na kalak. Te ka shong sa pi mata. Jamanta, aku apa pin introduce you Fong, the one and only legendary. Ngayu ngakot GOAT, good.
Oh my God! Wow!
So let's test the real hip hop delivery from Mr. D Fong. Mantau D Fong lo itu siapa bro? Ya pa ngayo ay kabit. Let's see yung sngo ba ay kabit dengan wan. Kamajan na mari nga pimnong kaman peg ate bas nudor mo. What? Kani kabit mo nga latem way are lie. Yeah.
Guess who's back? Back again. Come on. Now everyone report to the dance floor, to the dance floor, to the dance floor. I said everyone report to the dance floor. Alright, stop. I'm like a threat in this game like Osama. Pretty little drench even more like Obama. This ain't respect for the ones with the drama. I'll be the next time when you're smoking your wanna. Cause when I smoke mine, we're gonna him like a rasta. And up lying on my bed and eating my pasta. Every day that met, you come back and bamja. Waving that Jamaica flag, Saha India. Ho, let me see that booty when you shake it on the floor. Making me pass my doobie to a newbie on the show. A fero casa, usmi bola musko kasi lagi. Diri kasi margana sala on the flow. Mr. DeFonce on the beat profile. And married to the game when the ring. I'm rolling up the beast when I'm blowing these sweats like a barrel. They got a clip of this masterpiece shot by that cannon. I'm coming over my foes with that full flow, knocking every fucking door, making that slow. Click loud like a pro, check down on the floor. Make sound for us four crazy cooks now. I'm gonna make you dance, hit your chance. Yeah, boy, shake that ass. Oops, I mean girl, you know you're my word. I just lose it.
Just lose it.
Go
Just lose
crazy.
it.
Oh baby, oh baby. And the fire left making those jams. Now he's on the new shoes and in tomato sauce cans. Back to the noose that I got from Drew Carlos to squeeze him like a fruit and stuff him in his fucking hands. Nakan mao to kipor bangadang lo exam. Yung siyin yung kenat bang yo aram loong. I make a phone kabang mirang bam. Mapoy pe ko ka video yung piece maram. Ngahin niya may kumudos tama may haram. Kasi yang nakan down man tamikin pa. May kikong bin blah the play da mga mesam. Chiki wipat tibriyo di so kami jam. Sapsin ni piece kanidi tanga jeans dang. Ida jiksok na hanidan kakinong arandang. Kung mapamblang laro, mapamblang na chiki bubuan kaya me and tanga. Cause now I'm gonna make you dance. It's your chance. Yeah, boy, shake that ass. Oops, I mean girl, you know you're my word. Alright, now lose it.
Yeah, just lose it.
Go
Just
crazy.
crazy.
Oh baby, oh baby.
Damn. Oh, pai ba le semua mentan lah bang. Ya temak le bang pembohong usuk kemau. Player semua pai ba tin dekar runang, tin pareng runang, tin hendi runang. Lai teliki kentian ukerut agawe katarak. Let's see pim semutu ayu Fong Wong. Henry pat kindan kipat ba pismu tu ba ong kumno. Tiang ni ngilai i. Ba kumno mi rapor. Uba umpat don. Kono ka label. Let's say kono ka organization. Let's say kono ka institute ka badong ka ba support. Yung new way artist ubalong ba ubadon si siya kita ka sap katalan. Tiang ni mata ko mga itu EP. Balada pisngap jana kita ka jingrai ka jungu. Kalong sisa ke ke ba pin so tanak halade bat pin sngoru kano kata ka jinghun bat kumno kita gentian ki jung ka sngur kum bitu ki wadut ki batut ki was ki twe pisna kata ko jing rua ka jung ka bakerteng imimi ka jingkran jung imimi hang ta pin sa payload ya kai ka banga hale menta let's see kani kaditang ka jing sedang te ba nga kerman pin support ye Mr. Fang bakung juri ngaru kay waktar kanya nga pe nga ngala kani nga tris tom te alis ngaru sa polang sapuk buat kam tam yo Mr. Difang namar kumyuni kinyi dongkam hakri kejungi ubri ubarwa na mata umditang na mata jung ladi ubri ubarwa na mata jungi ba kitiso kejungi kabale singi ngimla bangin pelat ngimla bang keren dekam sampai ba come on hit that like button share subscribe balkum juru semua drop i komen jung pi lada pi thu you Mr. Difang namar setengah no lada upau Difang de lada pi ong ba itu mantap yang pumi tuangan dulai di siapa kublai subur pai ba tang kata next episode upcoming stay tuned. This is Mr. Difang ano baleo.